Hi everyone, today I'll show you how you can update your CV on LinkedIn. So first you have to open the LinkedIn and navigate to this tab. As you can see, your profile icon, click on this, then you have to open the setting, then go to this tab, data and privacy, then just little bit go down, and then you will find this setting, job application setting. Click on this, and here you can see from here, let me just delete and upload my new resume. So you can just upload your resume, CV, whatever from here. So click on this, upload your CV, and make sure to turn on these two options, and done. Then you can just apply on any job, and your CV has been updated on LinkedIn. Let me just show you how you can do that. Navigate to this section, and if I'm saying I need a remote job, okay, then digital marketing, go to this section, and let me just select easy apply, and once you click on this section, easy apply from LinkedIn, so you can see just select my city, Mansera. Next, here you can see your CV has been automatically shown on this section. Then you can just next and fill out all these details and review and apply. Thank you.